Good morning, all of you. I am Zepatan from Gnanvaji Vidya Standard 5th. So, students, today we'll start unit number 7. In that, finding unit cost based on the total. So, in that, I'll give you one example. In that example, here you saw that one vegetable market is there. One lady is bringing some vegetables. Now, in that, my mother went to the market to buy fruits. Okay. मेरी मम्मा है वो मार्केट में गई है फ्रूट्स खरीदने के लिए. शी गॉट 5 एप्पल्स फॉर ₹120. व्हाट वाज द प्राइस ऑफ 1 एप्पल? शी गॉट 5 एप्पल्स फॉर ₹120. 5 एप्पल की प्राइस का क्या है यहाँ पे? 120 है. वी हैव टू फाइंड द प्राइस ऑफ 1 एप्पल. ओके, सो इन दैट let's find out. Total cost is equal to ₹120. Total cost is equal to ₹120. Then number of unit. Number of unit is how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 apples are there. Then 120 divided by 5. What we have to do? 120 divided by 5. So in that 5 2s are 10, 2 minus 0 2, 1 minus 1 0, will bringing down 0 here. 5 4s are 20 is there. 0 minus 0 0, 2 minus 2 0. So the price of 1 apple is ₹24. The price of 1 apple is ₹24. Now cost of 5 bag is ₹615. Cost of 1 bag is, cost of 5 bag is ₹615. Cost of 1 bag is, so in that total cost is equal to ₹650. Total cost is equal to ₹615. Then number of unit, in this case bag is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bags are there. 5 bags are there. So in that ₹615 divided by 5, ₹615 divided by 5 is equal to 130 is there. 5 ones are 5, 5 13s are 65 is there. 5 ones are 5. We have to write 5 here. So we'll get the answer 130. The total cost of bag is ₹130. The total cost of bag is ₹130. Now students, will start next worksheet here. Cost of 9 books is ₹900. Cost of 1 book is, so in that total cost ₹900. Number of units 1, 2, 3, 9 is there. So we have to write here 900. ₹900 divided by 9. ₹100 is there. The cost of 1 book is ₹100. The cost of 1 book is ₹100 is there. Now students, will start worksheet number 6 is there. We'll start that. Before starting worksheet, I'll show you some example here how to solve the word problems. So we have to find there is the additions and subtractions of money is there. So we have to find how to solve the word problems. In that numbers and keywords is there. Ask what is asked in the question. D means do or understand, and O means operation, which operations to use, and S means solution. Okay, S means solve the problems. So let's start that. Shafyan brought a bag for ₹500 and a pair of shoes for ₹815. How much money he should pay in all? Okay, now यहाँ पे देखो, शफियान ब्रॉट अ बैग ऑफ ₹500. 500 का उसने बैग परचेज किया है. ठीक है. A pair of shoes is ₹815. शूज जो उसने शूज खरीदे उसका प्राइस क्या है 850. हियर इज अ क्वेश्चन क्या है, हाउ मच मनी ही शुड पे इन ऑल. यहाँ पे हाउ मच एंड देन विथ ऑल्सो हियर रिटर्न ऑल इज देयर. व्हाट इज देयर? All is there. So when that all is counted here, at that time we'll do the addition. Let's see. Numbers and keywords. Number is a 500 and 815. Keywords pay in all is there. Okay. Then ask what they are asking the question. They are asking the question how much money he should pay in all. How much money he should pay in all. Now next one. Bag rupees 500, shoes rupees 815 in all. Draw to understand. Now keywords in all. By we can say that Shafyan buy a bag, shoes, so we need to add their cost. Now यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है, which operation will use here? Addition. Which operation will use here? Addition. So in that 500 plus 815 rupees at is 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 5 5, 8 plus 5 13 is there, 8 plus 5 13 is there. So in that Shafyan should pay a rupees 1315 in all. 1315 in all. Now look at these sums everyone and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next sum. So in that Reena has rupees 800 and Rohan has rupees 15,000. How much money does Rohan have than Reena? Now see, Reena has a 8,000 rupees and Rohan has a 15,000 rupees. How much more money? यहाँ पे which word they are using? More words. Which word they are using? More money does Rohan have than Reena? रीना से रोहन के पास कितनी ज्यादा मनी है वो हमें फाइंड करना है. So what we have to do here? Will use subtraction. Here will use subtraction. So in that, first of all we have to find the numbers and keywords. So we have to write that number has a rupees 8,000 and Rohan has rupees 15,000. So this is the numbers is 8,000 rupees and 15,000 rupees. How much is keywords? How much is a keywords? How much is a keywords? Okay. Then ask what they are asked. How much more does Rohan have than Reena? रोहन के पास रीना से कितना ज्यादा है वो हमें फाइंड करना है. डी फॉर ड्रॉ. वी हैव टू ड्रॉ टू बॉक्सेस, रुपीज 15,000 and rupees 8,000. रुपीज 15,000 and rupees 8,000. ऑपरेशन. वी नीड टू फाइंड हाउ मच मोर मनी रोहन हैज, सो वी विल सपरेट टू फाइंड द डिफरेंस. वी विल सपरेट टू फाइंड द डिफरेंस हियर. Rohan has rupees 700 more than Reena. How will identify that So 15,000 minus 8,000, 15,000 minus 8,000, 0 as it is, 0 as it is. 8 minus 5 is not possible. Cut 0 right there, cut 1 right there, 0. Cut 5 right 0 right there, 15. 15 minus 8, answer is 7, 0 as it is. So answer is 7,000 rupees. Answer is 7,000 rupees. Rohan has a 7,000 rupees more than Reena. Now look at these sums everyone and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. I hope so students your work is complete. Now we'll start next sum. So students, here is a worksheet number 6, word problems on additions and subtractions of money. So in solving addition and subtractions word problems involving money. So in that example number 1, Tanya buy a dress for rupees 268 and shoes for rupees 1099. How much did Tanya spend in all? Here is the word is all. Okay, so definitely we'll do the addition. What we have to do? Addition will do here. So in that, first of all we have to find the numbers and keywords. So in that, numbers is 268 and 199. Tanya spent in all. That is a keywords is there. That is a keywords is there. Now step number 2 is ask. What is the questions asking? How much did Tanya spend in all? तानिया ने सब में कितना स्पेंड किया है वो हमें फाइंड करना है. Then step number 3 is a draw. Draw to understand. So in that, dress and shoes is there 268 and 1099 in all. Now operation, which operation we'll use here? So we definitely will use the addition here. We have to find the how much Tanya spent in all. तानिया ने टोटल कितना स्पेंड किया वो हमें फाइंड करना है. सो दैट्स द रीजन व्हाट वी हैव टू डू हियर. Addition we have to do here. Now solution. So in that solution is 268 plus 199. So in that answer is 467. Answer is 467. Tanya spent rupees 467 in all. Now next one question is, afterward you have to write both the question. Okay, do one thing. First you complete the first one portion and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. I hope so students your writing work is complete. Now we'll start next sum. A book cost rupees 35. Rizwan pay the shopkeeper rupees 500 to buy the book. How much money will Rizwan get back? Now Rizwan के पास कितना मनी वापस आए वो हमें फाइंड करना है. ठीक है. So in that, the cost of, first of all we have to find the numbers and keywords. So here we have to write a book cost rupees 35. Rizwan pay the shopkeeper rupees 500 to buy the book. How much money will Rizwan get back? कितनी मनी रिजवान के पास वापस आएगी वो हमें फाइंड करना है. And what they are asking Rizwan get back. How much money will Rizwan get back? So वो हमें find करना है. Now rupees 500 get back rupees 35. So here which operation will use? We have to find the how much money will Rizwan get back. Get back means taking away from the shopkeeper. Shopkeeper के पास लेना. ठीक है. So we can do here subtract. हम यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे? Subtract करेंगे. 500 minus 35. So in that answer is 465. Rizwan will get get back rupees 465. Now look at these sums everyone and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. I hope so students your writing work is complete. Now what is your homework? Your homework is you have to solve the following word problems in your notebook. हमने जितने भी वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स आज कंप्लीट किया दैट वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स यू हैव टू कंप्लीट इट एंड सेंड इट टू मी बिफोर 3 o'clock. Write that all the word problems in your rough book and send it to me in a WhatsApp group. Okay everyone, I hope so you all are understand and send it to me homework on time. Bye everyone, have a nice day.